What's good with it, man? It's Soul Baby Groove from Alexandria, Louisiana. Mother Earth got me in here rolling backwards for y'all. You know, uh, if I'm gonna start off talking about anything, I guess it would just be what I'm thankful for. You know what I'm saying? Which is just being alive, man. But first off, if I can describe myself, if I'm gonna start it off like that, it's in the name. You know what I'm saying? Soul Baby Groove is a name that I pondered upon for a while, and it was pieced together at different times in life. You know what I'm saying? Like, soul was around the time where I was like really driven to find some old school part of my sound. You know what I'm saying? And baby is when I felt like I was probably at my lowest. So I felt like I was knocked down to a standard of a child, but baby, you know what I'm saying? So it was like a rebirth in a sense. And then groove was when I found my shit. You know what I'm saying? Groove was when I found my groove. You know what I'm saying? So Soul Baby Groove shit is more than just, it just sound good. First the fucking all, it sound good going together, But my sound, man, my sound is soul, my sound is bass, my sound is trap, my sound is grown man shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love the fact that I can be myself, and it's respected by so many different areas of people. You know what I'm saying? I love how I remember a homie told me, he was like, shit, bro, you don't say nothing that you don't really be a part of. You know what I'm saying? You don't express shit that ain't really you. And that's all I want in life. You know what I'm saying? That's all I want is to leave a good taste in people's mouth. You know, you feel me? I want them to say that what you see is what you get. You know what I'm saying? And you can't do nothing but respect that. I feel like you don't. I used to pray for wisdom, bro. You know what I'm saying? Until I realized that wisdom is getting your ass whooped by life. You understand me? You can't teach a man how to fish if you ain't never been fishing. You understand what I'm saying? Like, so going through all kind of shit, damn near losing my life, damn near, you know what I'm saying? Just being broke down, bro. And not on no sad side shit, but just on some real life shit, you know? It's just a thing, man. It's I say heavy a lot. I probably jump subjects, but I say heavy a lot. I say heavy a lot because shit, I just be wanting to say something. Even when I make my music, I don't want to make a song where I didn't say something. I don't want to be on there just saying shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, so, in conversation, in rolling a blunt, in a song, I just want to get my point across, you know what I'm saying? But this is dope because I can really express myself on a lot of things that I hadn't really tapped into yet. But picture the kid that didn't stay in the hood, but kept walking his ass into the hood, you know what I'm saying? Like, or had to go to school, walk through the hood type shit. So I never try to portray myself as something that I'm not, but I'm a man, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got a little bar in the song where I say your daddy ain't thugging, but your daddy don't play that shit. Simple and plain, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything starts with love. I approach people with love. I approach with too much love for a nigga to even try to hate on me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the one thing you gonna hear if you ask multiple people in circles about me. Is that, you know what I'm saying? I'm the nigga that can move and modulate between them different circles. You feel me? And be cool, man, and just the vibe. I'm a vibe conductor, nigga. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. If I stop talking, I'm concentrating. Don't fault me. Y'all not finna roast me for rolling no whack wood. Understand? So I'm getting me together. It's gonna take as long as it's gonna take too, but it's gonna be splendid. But
What got you into doing music?
Poetry. I can honestly say that. Poetry, that's an honest answer. I like making words go together. And I also like being able to say what I gotta say and make it rhyme. Like, make that shit smooth. I never forget that. I don't know how deep I'm supposed to go with this interview, but man, boy. Keep it professional.
Go there. Let us know.
Oh, okay.
Let us
All right,
know.
so I'm gonna stop capping, bro. Look, man, me and Mother Earth done really been kicking it for a while, man. Like that's my homie from like childhood, bro. Like we went to high school together, junior high together. Learned a lot about each other as we both grew together. You feel me? We got cool because, ironically enough, she found a doobie in my car, bro.
With Deborah Humphrey.
It's up now. It's up now. It's up. That just brought me out the.
Oh, I went digging for that bitch, didn't
That
it?
brought me out the shit.
Oh my God, I forgot all about that
I had
stupid
a
ass
'96 Mercedes, a box frame, diesel ass motherfucker with bucket rooster, bro. Man, look, we in that bitch, and I knew I had a doobie that's been stuck in there for like a month, bro. So I'm knowing it's crusty, but I'm like, ooh, that bitch just been sitting in his goodness, you know what I'm saying? And so, but man, my hand's too big to get between the seat. One day, man, we mobbing together, and we really ain't never kicked it with each other. This is like the first time we really riding and mobbing together, man. And she said, damn, somebody said something about smoking, and I was like, yeah, I sure got a doobie that I ain't been able to get in a month. Man, folks turned there and just, and we was up. And ever since then, bro, we was so turned. That was just so, and it's ironic because look at what the hell I'm doing right here, right now.
Come on now. God is amazing.
On the homies, man, on the homies' behalf. I love it, bro. That's dope.
Bro, I forgot all about that stupid ass story.
Shit, I did. Man, bro, that's cool though, man. But I tell you what though, to see us come from that to now, just being grown, man. Just making it, still being alive, you know. Progressing, like, cause your business, your company, your brand is I can't honestly say I saw you come in this direction, but once you found that direction, it was like, well, goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Like it was turned up because it was just like, you know what I'm saying? Knowing what we wanted to do, you found the way to still express yourself in a roundabout, just like you made a bridge between the two. From what I knew you were destined to be and from what you made yourself from the circumstances. You know what I'm saying? Like, just the opportunities you found yourself in and shit. Like, it's dope. It's dope. It's dope, man. It's dope. It's dope. I'm trying to get fed, too. I'm still waiting on my plate. I told somebody outside, I was like, shit, if I go to one of them dinners that Mother Earth be doing, I'm going to be in the corner with my plate. That's just how I'm going to have to get down. I ain't trying to have nobody see me look like that, bro. I ain't never experienced that yet. You feel what I'm saying?
You haven't.
Like smoking and eating.
Tell them about Black History poem. Remember that?
The one in school.
The one in school.
Man, whoo. So we formed a poetry club, bro. That's how deep poetry is. And with Mother Earth too. We formed a poetry club in school, man. We did a Black History poem in front of the whole school, you know. And was freaking the fuck out before we got out there. You know, just scared. Like the whole auditorium full of people. We ain't never stood in front of that many people, but we talking about we might forget our shit. Like, oh shit. Stressing, you know what I'm saying? And then, but we get out there, man. And I remember, it's like we held each other up, cause like she might have fell off. I tried my best to pick up, and what I did, she executed. You know what I'm saying? Like it was perfectly meshed, and it came out to be like we felt like superstars. I know it wasn't nothing but, you know what I'm saying, a poem in front of a high school, but shit, right then and there, that's what sparked us being where we at right now. You know what I'm saying? Thus, being on the scale of music that I'm on now. Able to, you know what I'm saying, be a true artist right now in the presence of Mother Earth on her show, you know what I'm saying? It's just a beautiful thing to see from then to now. You feel me? I'm proud of you, yo. Just like I was proud of you then. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, you remember when we was walking across that bridge?
I still got my motherfucking battle on. Still got my battle on, nigga.
Man, we was climbing bridges, bro. Across the red.
That's how much it ain't shit to do out here.
Across the Red River. We just crossed the Red River. That's why I say I'm a Red River baby, nigga. Like for real, we just ate and did some parkour across the damn rail off the bridge and scratched the shit up. It was that was a good time, good humble times, man. Good humble time. Man, so Mother Earth, I really do want you to ask questions though, cause I think I'm too annoyingly humble to just talk about myself.
Let's see.
Give me about 3 of them, just 3 of them. That'll give me some time to bake on some other shit.
Come on, give me 3 questions. You're an artist. Favorite food.
Come on. Everyone else food.
I guess that is getting to know you. You said why you started music. What makes a person get to know you? How do you write? How do you write? That was a good one.
That was a great one. That was a great one. To be real with you, I write in 1 or 2 ways. I either write in my whip, like in my truck. I just like late night just be in my truck outside. And I call it the truck test because I always had bass in my shit. So like I'll just whatever, like even in the studio we'll record it, then be like gotta go give it the truck test, go hop in that bitch with the subwoofers and the radio, you know what I'm saying, all that shit, just to see how it would sound. But I just sit in my truck and I listen to a beat over and over and over and over again, and then I start with my melodies, you know what I'm saying, and then I put my words together when I get in the studio, you know what I'm saying. I gotta find my vibe to it, and then from there, however I'm feeling, I just put my words to the melody. My other way is find a beat I like, don't do shit with it, just go to the studio, get them to blast that shit off the walls in the studio, and just go in and just like, cause if I'm in there, I probably won't sit down, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna get to a point where it's like the beat just start talking to me, and then it's just up from there. You know what I'm saying? This is how you roll the wood with Soul Baby Groove. I appreciate y'all having me. You can find me on IG, Soul Baby Groove, Twitter, s.b.groove. Everything else, YouTube, Soul Baby Groove. You feel me? Holla at me. I'm sitting here chilling and I'm always cooling. Slow like a slug on the step till the salt got sticky. Believe me, that's all good, man. I ain't got nothing to say. I don't even know how to waste my time with that second.